Good morning, class. I apologize that I'm unable to be with you this morning. However, as you recall, we had just completed our discussion on the different types of survey on Monday, and we was discussing about the different way of constructing our survey yesterday, and that you will be able to use multiple source of information to design and develop your survey and to be able to chart your findings into a PowerPoint for your presentation on Friday. Now, I will leave for you to go ahead and get with your partner today for you to go ahead and to design, develop, and construct your survey in Spanish and English. While working with your partner, I will also need for you to outline the questions that you will want to ask your interviewee. Those are the person that you're going to do the interview on and finding out the information response regarding your question. Now, my students that are bilingual, I would need for you to work with your partner in assisting them with translating the survey questions into Spanish. This will be the same questions you wrote out in English. Now you're going to take them and translate them to Spanish so that we can go ahead and have a diverse survey. Those that speak Spanish will be able to answer the question as well as those that speak English can answer the question. And then we're going to compile those answers together, combine them together for your outlines of your questions for your the rest of your home assignment. Now for your homework assignment, you will administer the survey, and like I stated earlier, it will going to be those in Spanish and those in English. We want to combine both of those surveys together. When you complete your survey, you will need to combine your findings into a chart, getting your totals of the data that you collected. Then you would take your information and place it into a PowerPoint chart. After you do that, I will need for you to compare your findings to the outcome of the nearby school survey, which was the handout I gave you yesterday. So you should have that. That's part of your handout. The material that you will be needing to use to complete your homework assignment will be the handouts of the outcome of the nearby school survey, the different types of survey, how you can go ahead and compose it in a questionnaire format. You also need a Spanish-English dictionary. Although my bilingual students will be assisting you, you may come up with some additional questions you want to ask in Spanish, or you have a question that they gave you in Spanish and you don't know how to translate it. You will use the dictionary to be able to translate that word. Okay, your instructional movie, it will be the website gcflearnfree.gov, which is GCF Learn Free. I will need for you to write that down, GCF Learn Free, because you're going to need this website, instructional movie website, to assist you to construct your chart from in the PowerPoint format. When you go to that website, you need to click on PowerPoint. Once you click on PowerPoint, you need to scroll down to where it states Set Up Chart. Click on that and then click on the movie, and it will direct you step by step how to start up and to design and make your chart from the PowerPoint. Now you will be graded as follows. For the construction of your survey, you will receive 10 points. For the oral presentation that will be done on Friday, because we will not be here Monday, so we're going to do the presentation on Friday. Your PowerPoint content, as is outlined in the handout, will receive 5 points, and the grammar uses will receive 5 points. The information, I put this back up here. You have the handout on that for the information that needs to be in your chart. It's the age, gender, language, response, agree, which will be at the top of your chart. Response, disagree. Response, unsure. Respondents, unsure. Respondents, agree. And respondents, disagree. I'm sorry, I read that incorrectly. You would need to have that at the top of your chart. On the side of your chart, the bottom of your chart, you would need to put the ages and follow the outline of your chart from the nearby school, where they did a survey on traditional school versus technology uses in today's school. And as you can see, I have those that's when you put it at the top of your frame, it'll say agree, disagree, unsure. And at the bottom, you will key in the on the side you will have each age and the number. Like I state, the instructional movie will tell you exactly what to do. And this is what your outcome should look like, and then you compare it to what you have already completed on your survey. Now, as I stated earlier, you need to refer to the handouts and information that was given to you in class yesterday. Examples of the different surveys, items needed on the questionnaire/survey chart, the hyperlink to tutorial tool, which is your instructional movie, your questionnaire survey from the nearby school on the topics of traditional school versus technology uses in today's school. That's the chart you will be using to compare your findings. If you have any additional questions, you will need to get in touch with me at my number that I have already provided to you. And I wish you the best of luck and enjoy doing your homework assignment. Thank you. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.